Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, I am Shantae G, and I'm back again with another video. 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 It's your girl, I am Shantae G, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. I want to say good morning, but it's definitely not morning time, so good afternoon. How are you guys? Don't mind me coming on this camera looking like this, y'all. I started taking my hair out. I wish I could have seen all them flakes that just popped out of my head when I did that. But I started taking my locks down. I just got this little section. Ouch. Dang, I done knocked the Christmas ornament off the tree. But I done took most of it down. Just got this little section left to take out, so I'm about to take that out real quick, and I'll show y'all how I take it out, because I don't know, for some reason people say taking locks out is hard, but it's not for me. It's pretty simple, I guess, because I did it myself though, so I know how I twisted it in, how I put it in. So I guess when somebody else do it for you, it's kind of hard to take it out, but it's been a breeze for me so far. Look at that product build up. Oh, and a tip for anybody who want to do locks or anything, do not put product on your hair. Like, put oils and stuff, but don't put gel and stuff, because then you get this. So yeah, definitely moisturize your hair, but don't put that edge control and gel and stuff on it. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take out the rest of this hair and we're gonna get the day rolling, because I have some things to do. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, y'all, I finished taking my hair out. Y'all, I look so different when my hair is really not done. It's crazy. But I'm about to put this in a ponytail, plop a hat on my head. All right, y'all, so I just put on this Adidas hat. What is that? So I got this Adidas hat on. I have this shirt from Fashion Nova. And then I just have on some black joggers from Walmart. And then I'm gonna throw on my Uggs from Ross. So that's what I'm gonna wear. And then of course my purse from Ross as well. So that is what we working today. All right, y'all. I placed the camera in a different, well, the tripod in a different area. It usually be where the video at, but I put it over here, trying to see what the lighting is giving, because when it's over here by the AC, it's not giving at all. It is not giving. Why are they honking their horns? Yeah, I decided to come to Starbucks, and every time I come to Starbucks, the line be out of this world. Like, for real, for real. Like, the line always be so long. And I came to Starbucks because I really don't feel like walking into nobody's restaurant. Like, I just don't, if I'm being honest. I just don't. And I think I'm gonna get me my strawberry kiwi acai, what is it, acai drink or whatever. the refresher. And then if they have a grilled cheese, I'll get a grilled cheese. If they don't have a grilled cheese, then I'll just get a cheese Danish, because y'all know that's my little go-to or whatever. But yeah, y'all. What I have noticed, especially in Orlando, the white people here, or what's a better term to say? I don't know. The people without melanin in their skin, they always having like pop-up shops and stuff, and it always be so packed, like so packed, which is interesting because when our people have events, barely nobody be showing up. That's crazy. We don't support each other. That is so crazy to me, but it's the world we live in. I feel like black people are always in competition with each other, like, and that's so sickening. Like, why are we always in competition with each other? Shoot, because the one thing about me, I'm rooting for me and I'm rooting for you. And I'm really rooting for you because I know if you can do it, I can do it. The only person I'm in competition with is myself. I'm in competition with the Shantae of last week. That's who I'm in competition with. Or the Shantae last year. That's who I'm in competition with. I ain't in competition with no other human in this world. My mama always told me, don't be worried about what other people got, because you never know how they got it. And that is so true. People be robbing and stealing and killing to get certain stuff. So, word of advice from Mama Tay to y'all. Do not be envious or jealous of what people got, because you never know how they got it.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. How may I help you today?
Hi, can I have a vintage strawberry acai, but can I have it mixed with the kiwi, so like strawberry kiwi?
Yeah, did you also want the kiwi fruit?
No, I don't want the kiwi fruit in it.
Alright, I got you. And you said a venti strawberry acai with the kiwi. What else can I get you?
Do you have grilled cheese right now?
Let me just check for you.
Okay.
I don't have any grilled cheese. The only panini I do have is tomato mozzarella.
Can I have just the cheese Danish then?
Unfortunately, I don't have the cheese Danish. I do have my chocolate croissants, almond croissants. I have like plain bagels, even raisin bagels.
Okay, I'll take a plain bagel.
A plain bagel. Would you like any butter or cream cheese with that?
Cream cheese.
I gotcha. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Alright, I'll see you down here for 7:51.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, dang. They ain't have nothing. What the heck? Nothing. Starbucks, what's going on? There you go, y'all. I'll show y'all what I end up getting. I'll let y'all know how it is, because I've never had their bagels. So, yeah. I'll let y'all know, because I need my phone to swipe my app. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, I got my Starbucks. And I told him don't put no kiwi in here, and he don't listen because he put kiwi in here. I hate the kiwi. It tastes nasty. Like, for the little kiwi pieces to go in my mouth is like, it's so disgusting. Here's the bagel. Plain old bagel. Plain old cream cheese. Y'all, I like strawberry cream cheese. I wonder if they had strawberry cream cheese. Did they have it? You know what? Starbucks. Well, I can't even say nothing for real because it's not morning time no more. So, can I really be surprised that they didn't have anything? No, I cannot. That's a big spoon. That's a big spoon. Alright, let's see what this is talking about. Just regular. I'm sitting outside of this little shopping plaza. It has Ross, Hobby Lobby, Bath and Body Works, Staples, Bell's Outlet, Ulta, Marshalls, Five Below, Big Lots, a whole lot of stores in between. I know I said I was done with Bath and Body Works, which I am, but they having a little hand sanitizer on sale for $1 today. I think it's today only, so I'm gonna probably go in there and get some. It'll be like little stocking stuffers or whatever, even though I don't think my mom have stockings up. I don't know. And if she do, she don't never put nothing in them. Yeah, Starbucks refreshers be so refreshing. And look at the sky. The sky is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna go on Ross because y'all know Ross is my store. I got about one more Christmas gift and I don't even know what to get. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to finish this bagel and then I'm gonna head into Bath and Body Works. So yeah. Dang. So Bath and Body Works, I'll show y'all what I got. I got these 2 hand sanitizers. These are the men, a part of the men collection or whatever. So I'm gonna get these to my brother because he be going to school. Dang, I should have got him the thing to put it in so he could clip it on his book bag. I wasn't thinking. Champagne totes, another champagne totes. Strawberry pound cake, citrus and sunshine, Believe in Your Elf, which is frosted cranberry, cactus blossom. I got another cactus blossom and then another citrus and sunshine. So yeah, y'all, these was $1. I tried to record a little snippet so y'all could see that they were $1, but Bath and Body Works, I don't know what's y'all obsession with Bath and Body Works? It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go across to Marshalls because I couldn't really even function in Ross. Like, it was people in there, but it wasn't like a whole lot of people. But I don't know, y'all know how Ross be. Ross store they crowd their store with product. Like when they get a shipment in, they put everything out, so it be so crowded in there you can't even function for real. So yeah, I'm finna go to Marshall's, which I like when Ross have a whole lot of stuff because you get a whole lot of more options. Go, sir. You get a whole lot more options, but I don't know, it was just overwhelming today. Very much overwhelming. Sis got her little white man and she pumping around in these heels. You go, girl. You go, girl. But yeah, I'm about to go on Marshall's real quick and see what they got. Listen, I don't really like Marshall's for real, but they definitely be having some stuff sometimes. Like, they definitely do. They definitely do. So we about to see what's popping in Marshall's. And then I think I'm gonna go to Five Below because I need to get a tripod or a car mount, whatever you want to call it. Lord, Marshall's might be packer than Ross. And first of all, that would have been a parking right there, but that car did not care how they parked. But yeah, I can't even whip out my sticker because it ain't even no parking to whip it out. If you know, you know. Shout out to my mama. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Listen, Marshalls, I'm not gonna be parking all over the place just to go on Marshalls. Like, that's just not happening, sweet cheeks. It's not happening. So if I don't find a close parking, then I ain't going to Marshalls. I really just don't feel like walking today, y'all. I told y'all, I usually don't even leave the house on Sundays. I be in the house. But here I am out. Mainly because I needed to go to the hair store because I took my hair out. And I think I'm gonna do a silk press. I don't know. Either I'm gonna do a silk press or I don't know. I'm gonna park right here. We still kind of far off from the door, but it's cool. It's cool. No biggie. I thought I was just complaining. No biggie, no biggie. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to run into Marshall's real quick and see what's popping. Let's see what's popping. And I'll get back to y'all. So yeah, if I find something, I'll show y'all. Yeah, that was torture. That was very much a torture. The line was so long in Marshall's. I'm so hot, which is crazy because the wind blowing outside. But, yeah, I got the goods. So I don't know what I'm about to do right now. I was gonna go to Five Below, but I showed y'all inside Marshall's that I got a tripod, so I mean a car mount, so I don't have to go in Five Below. And this one was only $6.99, so we're about to see how it works. We're about to see. And this is supposed to be a 360. So yeah. Let's see. So boom. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put it at. All right, real quick, I'm gonna show y'all how it works because I literally just sat in this parking lot trying to figure out how it works. So this is it, and you can, oh Lord, what I done did now. So this is like the thing to like extend it and all that good stuff. This right here, you could twist this and it extends it out. This right here, you twist this as well, and then it adjusts this right here. So yeah, this is also 360, but oh, so you just twist this little thing right here and then it's 360. So yeah, I'm gonna keep mine sideways for now. So yeah, I'm about to put it up and then I'm gonna put y'all on there. Y'all, I'm so excited about this little car mount. Like, y'all can see my whole entire background. That's crazy. So I definitely for sure cannot record in my neighborhood, but this is cute. Go ahead, Grandma, you're welcome. Y'all, oh yeah, see, I'm gonna have to fix that because that is not supposed to be going on. Hold up, y'all, I gotta park again. I gotta figure out what's going on with this thing. Hold up, y'all, wait a minute, because that is not what's up. Hold up, pause. All right, let's try it again. Like, what is going on? Let me see. We're gonna try this one more time. And I'm just driving around in a circle at this point just to make sure it's together. Oh, we lit, y'all, we lit. I think. Let's see if it holds itself together. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate when people let me go because you don't have to. Well, they don't have to. And they do. Such sweethearts. But yeah, y'all, I'm kind of excited about this tripod. Or this car mount. Ooh. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna start recording though because I'm headed to my neighborhood, so I will see y'all on the flip side. Y'all, I want this. All right, y'all, so I'm finally back home or whatever. So I went in a couple of stores. I went in 2 different Rosses. I couldn't really function in there. I don't know what it is, but I just really couldn't function in them, so I didn't buy anything. I went into Five Below looking for the travel size stuff, but that Five Below didn't really have nothing. Like, I also went in Big Lots to try to find travel size stuff. Their options wasn't big, and they did have the travel size Dove body wash, but it was $1.50. When I bought it last time at Five Below, it was $1. So I'm not paying $1.50. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all. I already showed y'all the Bath and Body Works, so y'all don't need to see that again. I did go to the Dollar Tree And I got some wrapping paper, the Grinch. And I also got some Black Santa wrapping paper for my mom. I'm gonna insert a picture of that because it's in my trunk. So yeah, it's Black Santa, which I was so happy and excited to find, y'all. Speaking of Black Santa, I also went to Target, and y'all, I can't remember who video I saw it on. Like, I can't remember who video I saw it on. But y'all, look. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Like, if y'all know any place that sell Black Santa or Black Christmas stuff, let me know. Leave it down below because I'm buying it all. Like, I'm buying it all. I had self-control on this, so I only bought 3. And these were $3 each, which is why I only bought 3 because, So, I got these. And I will insert the pictures of everything that I seen that was like Black Santa. And then I also got this one. This one was $1. So yes, y'all, we lit. Y'all, I seen before I went on my social media detox, I seen somebody post the Black Santa plates from Target, but I didn't see them in the Target. I don't know if I wasn't looking in the right section. Well, dang, I didn't look in the dollar spot. They probably had them in the dollar spot. But if y'all do see some stuff, please send it to my mama, okay? My P.O. box down below. You send it to me and I'll send it to her. Marshalls, I kind of already showed y'all what I got from Marshalls, which was that tripod, and then I got some headphones. These Beats by Dre, or Beats Flex, whatever you want to call them. So yeah. That's it. Oh, and then I went to the hair store. And first of all, the hair store, I got this, which is Main Choice hairspray. It's supposed to be like a heat protector. It says thermal protection for the curly or straight hair mood. And it's supposed to be weightless. So I'm gonna try this out because I need to do my hair, which will be a whole different video. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Then I also got a hair wrap. Can you tell what I'm doing with my hair? And then I got an edge brush because I needed a new one. So went to KFC, which I have not had KFC in forever. And it's actually surprisingly still warm. I ended up getting the famous bowl. Yeah, I really don't eat KFC like that, honestly, but it was on my way home, so I just grabbed it. Let me see. I know a lot of people don't really like these because they said it's not fresh. It's so good. They put so much gravy on it. A lot of people don't like KFC, but I feel like KFC have their own distinct flavor. Like, if you put, let me see. Bojangles kind of different though. But if you put like Popeyes and KFC together, I'm gonna be able to tell you which one is KFC. Like, you could put anything up against KFC and you're gonna be able to tell which one is KFC. They just have like a different flavor. So y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to finish my food, so I'll see y'all on the next video.